Hello there. Today's video is on CSS and the background property. So I've got a page already open here. There's there it is in Sublime. Here it is in the web page. It's got a paragraph, and that paragraph is stuck inside of a div. So we're going to modify the div. So to start out, we're going to do what am I doing? Div, and we're going to do a padding of 200 pixels. Save that, refresh. There we go. We got a little padding on the div, so it squishes the paragraph together. So let's go ahead and do a background. Where's my mouse? Background colon, and that's all it is. And this is going to combine several CSS properties into one, such as background color. So we can just do a pound ff000, and that should make the background red. We can also do a URL. So if we want to do URL of open parentheses, open quotes, and we'll do I've got a picture, and that is it's basically just a square box that I made somewhere else. Square.png. We save that, refresh. Now, so it repeats. Maybe we don't want to have actually the background color, then we can actually leave these out by doing this. So the sequence doesn't even matter much what sequence they come in, but it's important that you know what all the available properties are. There's the option to repeat X, which is from background repeat. So save that. What have I got wrong here? Repeat Y? There we go. I must have misspelled repeat or something. Repeat X. Oh, I didn't scroll up. That's what my problem was. So it repeats along the x-axis. There's the option to just repeat, which is a bit silly. Oh. Thank you, Sublime. Which is a bit silly because by default backgrounds repeat anyway, but it's there. There's a no repeat, so it just does one. And there's also the options of fixed or scroll. So we'll do fixed. Fixed means it's fixed to the browser window. It's static basically. There's scroll. Scroll means it scrolls with the browser window, which I think would do by default, wouldn't it? Yeah, see, no difference. Oh wait, let's refresh. Would do that, and if I take the scroll, put the scroll back on, it's the same effect. So the whole idea of scroll is a bit silly. There's also inherit, which means it'll inherit whatever property from its parent item, but that's also supposed to be available for the repeat. So I don't know if this is available in the background URL. So it's probably best to restate it. Let's do a fixed. Save. Refresh. And there's also center left, and those two words have to go together, whereas I can put the fixed before the no repeat, or make the very first thing the URL. I can switch these guys around, but whenever I specify where they're going to go, those two words need to go together. That's very important. And if you only put one, it's just going to assume the other one is center. So if I just put left, it'll put it in the center on the left side. I put it right, it'll put it in the center on the right side. I've got top center, bottom center. There's even center. You can do top center, or even top right. There you go. Or you can do X and Y axis. So we'll do a 10%, 20%, or 50%, or negative 10%, or 75%. Oh, I think I pushed it off the page. Oh, it's 750%. That's what I did wrong. So negative 90%, negative 15%. Let's see if I can just get a sliver of it. Yeah, there we go. So anyway, that's enough playing with it. You can also do pixels, so we'll do 100 pixels. Can I mix percentages in pixels? Apparently I can. 75 pixels. There we go. So you can do pixels as well on the X and Y axis. Just remember that these two need to go together, just like, you know, center left and top right and blah blah blah, all that went together as well. So that's how you use the background property in CSS, and hopefully you'll get to use this, and it'll save you some typing instead of using a bunch of those specialized CSS properties that that you see in other videos. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Bye.
If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?